So, because it's feeding time for all my babies, hello babies, chowing down. My neighbors, cows and goats, think it's their feeding time too. They're all over here. Yeah, sorry guys, I can't feed y'all. Y'all gotta wait till y'all's daddy and stuff gets home. Ooh, you are a cutie. Look at you, gorgeous. Let me check my horses out, y'all. Hey, Ronan. He's getting better. Come here, boy. He's getting a little better. I go in there in their pen. I gotta give him some hay. Yeah, that's Ronan. Hey, come here, Quill. Come here, Quill. You're okay. Come here, boy. Still a little skittish. Anyway, they take hay out of my hands. Wild Mustangs, you know, it's just gonna take a minute. But anyway, okay, gotta finish. I gotta water everybody. But subscribe to my YouTube channel. And always find us on Facebook, Instagram, Hippity Hoppity Hooves Homestead. Thanks and God bless.